Hi, everyone. My name is Sean Lorenz. I'm really excited to be here for the IoT Slam this year. I think this is a really interesting conference. I'm glad that they're putting this together as a virtual conference. And I think there's a lot of interesting talks. Today, I am going to be talking specifically, as I turn my phone off, predicting time series for the Internet of Things. So I'm the founder and CEO of Sensor, which is a new startup doing home health in the Internet of Things using predictive analytics. A little bit about me. I was formerly at Logmein, where I helped with their IoT platform, Xively, and I also have a PhD in computational neuroscience. So this is why I see the IoT having a massive opportunity for analyzing how we do the brain, different sensor types and different kinds of data that you can see, okay, this is a sensor how the human body processes touch or hearing. There might be non-biological sensors in the IoT that kind of can be processed in the same way. And really, these are all just time series data points. And there's going to be a lot of, I think, interest for how we process that data in the IoT. So let's get started. One thing that I've kind of seen, over the years being in the Internet of Things is it's similar to the old blind men in the elephant tale, where there's a lot of different ways people are looking at the IoT, and there's products that are looking at things from different angles, but they're not getting a holistic view. So because of that, one person might say, oh, the elephant looks, the blind man says the elephant looks like a trunk. The other one says, no, it's more like a tail or a foot. And they're all correct, but they're only getting part of the equation. And that's why I think we're really in the Internet of Thing era. We're not really combining all this data together and doing anything with it, which is why really what we want to do, the old Braveheart, unite the clans applies here, where what we want is something more where we get a lot of different data streams, a lot of different data sources, and we start to put it together. So I think really what we're getting to in the IoT in the next 2 to 3 to 5 years is this more adaptive application layer for the Internet of Things, where it's across different manufacturers doing really interesting things with physical products. But when you get that data and you put it together, the sum of the parts is much bigger, and this is when we get more to the Internet of Things, not the Internet of Things.